Naming the side of right triangle. What does opposite mean? What does adjacent mean? What does hypotenuse mean? We will discuss it in this chapter, naming the side of a right triangle. Uh, what does opposite mean? Anyone can know? What does adjacent mean? Anyone know? What does hypotenuse mean? Anyone know? What does opposite mean? From line I B. Good. What does adjacent mean? From line B C. Good. What does a hypotenuse mean? From line I C. Good. The next. Naming the side of a right triangle. 1. Opposite. Opposite is the side that is directly in front of the angles. 2. Adjacent. Adjacent is the side that is next to angles. 3. Hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the long side of a right triangle or the side that is in front of the right angles. Next. Before going into the material trigonometry ratio in right triangle, before the naming the side right triangles. What is the relationship between side and angle in right triangle? Anyone know? What is the relationship between the Pythagorean theorem and trigonometry ratio? Anyone know? Do trigonometric ratio apply to all types of triangles? Do anyone know? Good. The relationship between the ratio of angle or attitude and the length of the side of a triangle is expressed as follows. When sin C is defined as the ratio of the length of the side opposite the angle to the hypotenuse of the triangle written. So, sin psi equal to opposite definite hypotenuse or I or line IB definite I line C. Next, cosinus C is defined as the ratio of the length of the side next to the angle to the hypotenuse of the triangle written. So, cos C equal to adjacent definite hypotenuse or length BC definite IC. Next, tangan C is defined as the ratio of the length of the side in front of the angle to the adjacent of the angle written. So, tangan C equal to opposite definite adjacent equal to IB I length IB definite line BC. Next, cosecant C. Cosecant C is defined as the ratio of the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle to the side opposite the corner written. So, cosecant C equal to adjacent definite hypotenuse or line IC definite BC. Next, cosecant tangen C is defined as the ratio of the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle to the side opposite the angle. We written so cosec C equal to hypotenuse definite opposite or equal to line IC definite IB or cosec C cosecant C equal to 1 power sin C. Secant C. Next, secant C is defined as the ratio of the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle to the side next to the angles. Written so sec C equal to hypotenuse definite adjacent or line IC definite line PC or secant C equals to 1 power cos C. Next, cotangen. Cotangen C is defined as the ratio of the length of the side next to the angle to the side opposite the angle. Written cotangen C equal to adjacent definite opposite or PC definite IB or cotangen C equal to 1 power tan C. Do you have any question? Okay. The next yaitu angle of elevation and depression. What is elevation? What is depression? Anyone know? Look at the following picture of a fixture 7 power 1. Nah, in book 2, we have learned that trigonometry can be used to find the heights of buildings and mountains. We have also learned that a clinometer might be used to obtain the angle of elevation of the top of an object as shown in figure 7.1. Look at the following picture of a height of building and mountain. Nah, in this section, we will learn about angle of elevation and depression and how they might be used to solve simple problems. Angle of elevation and depression. When Hyrule looks at the top of the wall B, B, the wall B, the angle between the horizontal ID and the line of six IB is BID, BID is called the angle of elevation. When Hyrule looks the bottom of the wall, C, line C, the bottom of the wall, the angle between the horizontal ID, and the line of six IC is CID. CID is called the angle of depression. So, fig 7.2 shows Hyrule standing in front of a vertical wall PC. IBC. I is the point where his ID is an imaginary horizontal line from his eyes to the wall. The next, let's discuss problem 1. From we'll have group discussion. Group consist of 4 to 5. Let's discuss problem 1. On Sunday, Putri was walking in Magelang city square and observed the top of the giant stuffed earth water tower. The ratio of the distance from the air tower to where Putri is standing and the height of the giant stuff is 3. Is 3 compared 4. If Putri's point of view is to the top of the cane stove in a straight line with Putri's view to the cane stove, determine the trigonometric ratio sin A, cos A, and tan A. Tangan A. Next, solution. Steps 1. Orientation. Orientation problems. From problem, it is known that the ratio between the distance between the water tower and the standing putri and the height of the cane stove is 3 com 3 compared 4. From Putri's point of view to the top of the chain stove with a straight line of Putri's view to the chain stove is angels. Examples 1. Angel's point A equal to top of the giant stove angel point. 2. P equal to the straight line position of Putri's view towards the kind of angel points. 3. C equals to Putri's position. Next, text 2, organization. After text orientation problem, so stack or two stack organization. Illustration it in a right triangle as follows. Length length equal to 4k. PC equal to 3k. IC IC not you can not you can not you not yet know. K K K K is positive real number. Next, step 3, inquiry. To be able to determine trigonometric ratio, you need to know the length of the three sides of right triangle IBC. In the right triangle IBC, the length of the hypotenuse IC is now. For this reason, it can be searched using the Pythagorean formula as follows. Before learn theorem Pythagorean, does anyone remember the theorem Pythagorean? Okay, good. IC square equal to IC square or hypotenuse equal to IB square or opposite plus BC square BC adjunction. Okay, good. IC square equal to IC square equal to substitution IB 4K square plus substitution BC 3K square. So IC square equal to 16K square. Okay, good. Okay. 16K square plus 9K square. So IC square equal to 525K square. So IC equal to root 25K square equal to 5K. So IC is 5K. So next, take for developing and presenting. The length of the three sides of right triangle IBC are known, so we can determine the trigonometry ratio as follows. Sin angel sin sorry sin alpha equal to opposite uh, look picture the side opposite anyways no IB. Okay, good. Definite hypotenuse is line IC. Okay. equal to IP definite IC. Substitution IB for K, IC-nya IC is 5K. So 4 4K definite 5K equal to 4 definite atau power 5. Next, cos alpha equal to adjacent. Adjacent is P C. Okay. Definite hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is a line I C. Okay. Equal to 3K definite 5K equal to 3 power 5. Next, tan alpha equal to opposite IB. Okay, good. Definite adjacent BC. Okay. IB definite BC substitution equal to 4K definite 3K equal to 4 power 3. The next solution. Take 5. Analyzing and evaluation. So the trigonometric comparison follow value of sin alpha, cos alpha, and tan alpha are as follow. Sin A equal to 4 power 5. Cos alpha equal to 3 power 5. And tan alpha power 4 power 3. Okay. Let's discuss problem 2. A window of a building is 50 meters above the ground. Often that the angle of elevation of the window from point on the ground is for 42 degrees when the distance of the point on the ground of the foot of the building. Next, solution. Let x m be the distance of the point on the ground from the foot of the buildings. Tan 42 degree equal to 50 or m. 50 is m. Power definite x x x x. Ini is opposite. X is the adjacent. So So move along X and move the column to the right. X and 42 degree equal to 50. So X equal to 50 definite tan 42 degree equal to 55.5. The distance of the point on the ground from depth of the building in 55 point 5. The next, let's this question. From this, we'll have group discussion group consisting of 4 to 5. Worksheet student discussion is worksheet student. Before, after discussion worksheet student, presentation of group work result. Next. Sorry. Well, everybody, let's stop. Her time is up. We can end our class. We can conclude our material today. Do you have any question? Uh, conclusion of learning. Conclusion of today's lesson. Naming the triangles. Naming side triangles. Is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, approxima trigonometric is sinus, cosinus, tangent. Do you have any now? Okay. Thanks for your kind attention. Before ending today's learning, we've reached complete a post test to find out how much you understand about today's learning. Okay. Plan for next meeting. Uh, Once pretest, trigonometry ratio, material, uh, the next material, trigonometry ratio of special angles, uh, and group discussion and post test. Thanks for your kind attention. See you for the next meeting. Goodbye everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.